Children of Standard 7, in Chapter 2, that is Nutrition in Animals, I have already discussed in different classes about nutrition in amoeba, nutrition in hydra, nutrition in frog, nutrition in paramecium, human digestive system, and the physiology of human digestion. Today, I am going to tell you about nutrition in ruminants, that are grass-eating animals. Ruminants are grass-eating animals about which I am going to tell you now. They have a special stomach to digest cellulose. So ruminants are grass-eating animals. So cow is one of them. Cow, deer, elephant. So let us have an example of cow. They have special stomach to digest cellulose. So let us have a look of digestive system of a ruminant, that is cow. It has its stomach is having 4 compartments, that are rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. So this is whole digestive system. It has reticulum, cecum, rectum, intestine, abdomen, and here about which we are going to talk in detail is rumen, that is having a special role in their digestion, in cow's digestion, and here it is her stomach, cow's stomach. So first, when we start discussing about the digestion in grass-eating animals, about cow, they have the special stomach to digest cellulose. So cellulose is a carbohydrate containing compound. Normally, we see cellulose in plant cell as cell wall. The cell wall of plant is made up of cellulose. So the cow's stomach consists of 4 compartments, as I told to you: rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. And first compartment of a cow's stomach is rumen. So first cow swallows the green grass and stores in a rumen. And the rumen contains cellulose digesting bacteria. That is a very entirely different thing. That is the major difference between a human digestive system and a ruminant. So its stomach part, the part of the stomach that is rumen, the first part of the stomach that is rumen, it contains cellulose digesting bacteria, and when it eats grass, the rumen start to digest cellulose. And when the grass is partially digested in rumen, the partially digested grass of a cow is called cud. And cud is brought back to the mouth of cow in a small amount at a time later on, because the partially digested cellulose of the grass needs more digestion, and again the cow chews the cud thoroughly when the cud is brought back to its mouth. And the process by which the cud is brought back from the stomach to the mouth of an animal and chewed again is called rumination. Rumination is defined as chewing the cud. So children, you have understood what is cud. Cud is the partially digested grass in the rumen that is brought back by a cow in its mouth for further chewing. And when the cud is thoroughly chewed in the mouth of the cow, it is swallowed again. But this chewed cud does not go back to rumen. The thoroughly chewed cud now goes into other compartments of the cow's stomach, that is called reticulum, omasum, abomasum, and then into small intestine. Children, do you remember about the digestion of human? When mouth makes the food in a soft pulp-like structure, it goes to food pipe, and here no digestion takes place in human being. And then the soft pulp goes by a process of peristalsis to our stomach, where the food stays for 2 or 3 hours. So, after thoroughly chewed cud, the thoroughly chewed cud again go to the small intestine in cow too, for the complete digestion and absorption. So, ruminants have a complicated digestive system that contains stomach of 4 chambers: rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. So, rumen microbes. Children, here we see the difference between the human digestive system and the digestive system of a ruminant, that ruminants have 4-chambered stomach, and the first part of their stomach is rumen that contains microbes that ferment, feed, and produce fatty acids, which is cow's main energy source. Rumen also produce vitamin B, vitamin K, and amino acids. So the special bacteria that digests cellulose is not found in human digestive system. So the process of rumination in cow is different, chewing the cud, how the cud is formed, and how the rumen works to partially digest the cellulose. This is all about the whole digestive system of a ruminant, that is a cow. We have taken example of a cow, and this is all about the process of digestion of a ruminant, that is cow.